welcome to my car. It's a little bit messy, but you know, I'm sure we can squeeze in here. It's fine. I have never tried Starbucks before. I have never ever gone out of my way to try Starbucks. I'm not personally a very big coffee person, so it's probably why I've never really had an attraction to Starbucks. So today I wanted to go to Starbucks and order some of your favorite drinks. So I put a call out on Twitter, I tweeted out asking everyone what their favorite drinks were, and you guys showed up in tons. I'm so excited, and I am gonna try as many as I can. A lot of the drinks that you guys suggested we don't actually have here in Australia, so it makes it a bit difficult, but I'll do my best. I'm gonna order as best as I can and hopefully not be annoying to the staff there. I want to let you guys know that I won't be filming while I'm driving because I do not have an appropriate mount for my camera yet. So I'm not gonna be doing that because my camera's just gonna whoop, whoop, slip and slide everywhere. I did try it. I did a test run around the block and I'm sure Noah, my editor, can insert like a silly clip here. Oh God, it moved. Damn it, it moved. No, it's not gonna work. Okay, never mind. Okay, we'll figure this out. It's just slipping and sliding all over the place, but I'm going to drive on over to my local Starbucks now. Also, low-key, why am I scared to go order stuff from Starbucks? I'm so scared to ask for extra things, like, can you add syrup? Can you add this? I'm terrified. So I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me, so let's go. Sorry, it's so bright. Hi, I have a bit of a weird request. Is it possible to make the pink drink?
No, sorry, we don't have the ingredients for that.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Could I get one iced latte and a grande?
Grande iced latte, yeah.
Can I also get a strawberries and cream frappuccino and a grande?
Grande strawberries and cream frappuccino.
Can I also get a vanilla bean frappuccino with can I add raspberry syrup to that and
We're out of raspberry, sorry.
Oh, okay. Do you have anything like a similar sort of syrup to go with that, or no, not really?
Just strawberries and cream frappuccino. That's all.
That's probably the closest thing. Okay. Okay. Can I still get the vanilla bean frap? Can I add the Java chips to it?
Don't worry. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, sorry about
Thank
the
you.
wait.
No, that's okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
You too. Thank you. Thank you. I got it. All right, let's go park up somewhere so I don't spill these everywhere. All right. Firstly, Noah, I'm so sorry. The lighting is terrible, but we're here. We did it. Holy heck. Okay, so first things first, I ordered an iced latte. That is for my housemate. So he gets to have that. So I'm gonna actually put that there so I don't, oh my God, it's gonna spill everywhere. I swear to God. Holy heck. Okay, so I ordered 2 drinks. Let me just see real quick who posted this. I didn't want to order a bucket load of drinks, but I got 2 that I thought I'd really like. So I got 2 flavors that I'm a big vanilla chocolates kind of person, but I also love strawberries and cream. So I figured I'd try those. Yeah, so the Pixel Parfait, I'll put the little, the Twitter reply there. Pixel Parfait, vanilla bean frappe with raspberry syrup and Java chips. So I ordered a vanilla cream frappe with Java chips. I was so nervous that I forgot to ask if it has coffee in it. So if this has coffee in it, I'm probably gonna hate it. I'm not really a big coffee person, but we'll see how we go. But that being said, this is it here. You guys can kind of see it. Hang on, I'll see if I can refocus the camera. Ugh. There you go. There you go. See, that's it there. I'm gonna pretend like a car didn't just pull up next to me and I'm very nervous to be filming in my car. Let's see how we go. I'm really excited to try this. It looks really good. It's got little Java chip speckles through it. So I don't actually know what Java chips even taste like, but we'll see. So anyway. Ooh. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, I kind of expected it to be really bad. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Oh, the Java chips are really good. I don't know how to describe the Java chips, but honestly, they are really, really tasty. Are you kidding me? Hang on, I gotta take my sunnies off for this, hang on. I mean, how could it not be good? It's just pretty much like a whole pile of sugar and syrup, so it can't be bad, you know? Okay, so I've tried this. I'm gonna drink this on the way home, but we also got a strawberries and cream frap. You guys can see. Hang on. It's not gonna let me do it, is it? Strawberries and cream frap. Amazing. Really, oh my god, hello, camera, please. Do better. Come on, man. All right, let's try it. It's so pretty. It's so, like, it's really pretty. Also, this is a grande size, by the way. So it feels like a normal size, I feel like. Okay, let's give this a go. Let's try it. Oh my god. The strawberry syrup, honestly, it tastes more strawberry-like than I thought it would. Like, I honestly thought it was gonna taste like just really sugary fake like strawberry-like. This was really good. This is really pretty, by the way. This is really fucking pretty. Like, I want to take a photo of this. It's pretty. I'm not gonna drink the rest of this because I'm gonna take a photo of it, then I'm gonna drink it. Like, it's really, like, I'm genuinely surprised at how not, like, fake it tastes. Although it probably is just all very fake sugary syrup, but I'm really surprised. These are really good. This is really nice. So far, vanilla cream frap is kind of my favorite. So, I don't know, but any drinks that you guys think I should try? I feel like the Australian menu is very limited. Unlike America, we don't have like a really large range of drinks. So if there's anything in particular that you guys really want me to try, like especially in the Australian menu, let me know. I would love to give them a go. This is like, I feel like what's that girl from TikTok, Anna, and she's like, she'll have her Starbies. And she's like, wow, like that. I love her. She's so cute. But yeah, no, this is really good. As someone who doesn't drink coffee, I feel very accommodated to right now. This is very, very nice. Okay. All right. I'm going to put this away. I'm going to drive home. I'm going to finish up the video on my driveway. I'm going to put these away. We're going to drive home now. All right, chat? All right. I'll see you when we get home. Okay. All right. Okay. I'll see you when we get home. Okay. Bye. Okay. Okay. I just want to say, right, that Australians have this really, really, like, just lack of direction and awareness that, like, a lot of the time, whenever you're planning on going somewhere, another Aussie will always be like, oh, like, yeah, it's just around the corner. Like, oh, I'm going to go visit a friend. It's just around the corner. I did that to myself today. Starbucks was not just around the corner. It was like half an hour away in like peak hour traffic. It was completely worth it, but I'm an idiot. So I'm home. I just got home. Good drive. Everyone was well behaved. I have my strawberry cream frap here. I'm gonna take photos of it, I think. I'm so happy with this. It is so nice. So tasty. I want to take photos of it though. It is just so pretty. So I'm not going to drink it just yet here, okay? I know it's very disappointing. I'm sorry. But I just wanted to say, like, thank you to everyone who commented or replied to my tweet about what to try. I'm so sorry that the Australian menu didn't really allow for a lot of those things to you know, come to life. Like, a lot of the things you guys suggested were like refreshers, like the caffeinated drinks. I think they're like a caffeinated, like, I don't know, like a lemonade type drink. I'm not sure. But they weren't available. Like, I couldn't get them because like the refresher range is not here in Australia. So couldn't get those. However, I finished this entire thing. I need to eat the whipped cream. It was really good. I didn't expect to like this as much as I did. It was really tasty. I honestly thought it was just going to be like another, I don't know, really sugary drink, but the flavors were there. Like, I could taste the vanilla. I could taste the Java chips. Like, it was really, really good. I liked it. And I'm really thankful to everyone who recommended me to try like all these different drinks. So if there are any drinks you can think of that are on the Australian menu or could be made on the Australian menu, let me know down below. I would love to try them. I really enjoyed making this. I don't know who asked for this. I don't think anyone asked for this video, but I'm really glad I made it. It was really fun. I had a really, really good time. And I'm probably going to be going to Starbucks a little bit more often than I'd like to admit now. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys like the video, make sure you hit subscribe, smack that like button. You know, like you smack your wallet down when you want a pink drink, like smack it like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm glad we could do this together. It was really nice. It was a nice little day trip, you know, and a lot of you guys are stuck inside with lockdown and quarantine. So it's nice just to get out, you know, it's good to have a little time together. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. My husband just got back in the car next to me. I feel like an idiot. I really gotta stop caring what people think about when I film in public. I really shouldn't care.